You know, many times when I'm programming, I have to do method calls, and sometimes the method calls have a whole load of arguments that are required by the method. Now here's an example. This is an adventure game that I've written in C#, and you can see that when I call the constructor of a thing object or a lockable thing object, well, there are all sorts of booleans, in this case, boolean arguments, and what the heck do they mean? Now, I have to go to the actual code of the constructor, it could be any other method, in order to see, and you can see I've given meaningful names in the parameter list here to each of the parameters. But when I call the method, there's nothing there. How can I get around that? How can I find out what those booleans in this case are? Well, there's a quick secret in Visual Studio Tools, Options, and I've gone down to the text editor option, C# Advanced, and you can see down here there's this option, Display Inline Parameter Name Hints. And when I click that, and here you can select various types of hint, I've got these three selected, and look what happens. So now look, I've got all these parameter names for each of the arguments. So is takeable, is movable. So I can see immediately what each argument is meant to represent. So those are parameter name hints in Visual Studio. I use them all the time. If you don't know them, go and give them a try. To learn programming in depth, enroll in one of my courses or read one of my books. More information at bitwisebooks.com.